When you have larger pulls, you'll just have your spools on racks. You'll have one handsome guy feeding the bundle up into the tray, and at different points, you will have people staggered pulling. So again, you'll have a feeder. And you can see right up here, our string is moving. And you can see the bundle is moving, moving, moving. Once you have your string in place, pretty much get through. Then you'll have one guy bringing in the main bundle, and as you can see, it's there.